Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy if you're new here, and welcome if you are new here. And also, head on over to my page and check out my other videos. Today I have 4 boxes for us. Don't always do a grouping, of course. I do have quite a few individual box reviews. And I do have individual box reviews for all 4 boxes we have today. And I have a variety of things today, so stay tuned. We'll see what piques your interest. What should I start out with? I don't know. I'll start out with something simple. So I have my HousePlantShop box. And these guys are a monthly plant subscription. They have a multitude of different subscription options. You can choose things as cheaply as $15 a month. That is the subscription that I have on here. I know I talked about in previous videos of wanting to change my current subscription to a cactus subscription for my husband because he's into cactuses right now, but that hasn't happened yet. So I've already checked this one, so I know that this is not a cactus. I know what this is. I'm okay with what I have. I already have one of these plants actually, so yeah. So I don't know. I'm having issues with that. I may have to cancel and then just resubscribe. I'm not sure. Whatever. We'll figure it out. So, this one is the HousePlantShop. This one is the pet-friendly indoor plant version. This one, again, is $15 a month. And I believe that is free shipping. If not, the shipping is relatively cheap. So, okay, this is what we have. As you can tell, I did open it already. They don't normally come with that down there. Normally it's up here. But I needed to give mine a little bit of water. That is what I've got in there. Just finished taking the paper off now. So, but that is what I got. Very healthy looking thing. This one is a ponytail palm. Like I said, I already looked in this to check on it, make sure it arrived okay. Ponytail palms do need a lot of indoor light, but they don't need a lot of water. Apparently you can overwater them quite easily. So basically I have, like I said, I have another ponytail palm that my husband gave me last year for this year for Valentine's Day, and it's just one of these, but it is quite a bit bigger than that. So I might break these up and put them into smaller containers, or maybe I'll let them grow together. Do they grow together? I don't know. If you know the answer to that, let me know down in the comments below. And if you have any tips on ponytail palms, let me know. I am in a northern Midwestern climate, so ergo it gets cold as all get out in the wintertime, and it still gets hot in the summertime. So on the back of the card, this does tell you a little bit about the ponytail palm. What is their scientific name? The Carnea guatemalensis. Carnea guatemalensis. Oh, that's what that looks like. So, yeah. I'm not upset about the plant that I got. I am kind of upset that my messaging hasn't gone through to the correct people and nothing's getting fixed. So, set that over there. I don't know. Like I said, I'm probably going to have to end up canceling and then resubscribing. So, okay. Next box I have is a candle company. This is Wicked by You Candles. These guys are $15 a month. No, they're $21 a month. Either 15 or 21. Good grief. Whatever. But this is a candle company subscription. They do have more than candles. This is the product info card. And this is the September box. Oh, I was thinking with the pumpkins on here, it would be the October box. October? Yes, we're in October. Okay, so here is what our box looks like. First up, we have a car freshener, Into the Woods. Campfires, sweaters, flannels, pumpkin sleeves, hay rides, bonfires, s'mores. And sweaters. Oh my. Okay, so this apparently is just a sticker on there. We don't have a really cool design this month. Last month it was, not last month, a couple months ago it was a margarita or martini glass. One was a sunflower design. This is just a circle. No big deal there, but oh, that smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. I love that. So we have their Into the Woods car freshener. We have pumpkin seed and oud wax melts. Pumpkin seed and oud. Ode? O-U-D. That's a new word for me. Let's see what this bad boy smells like. Oh, yum. It smells like pumpkin cake. Or pumpkin bars with the cream cheese frosting. Yep, that smells good. Next up, we have a candle. This is an 8-ounce candle. They are hand-poured soy wax with a cotton wick. This is apples and maple bourbon. I can smell the apples. I don't really smell any maple or bourbon in that. However, that could change when it burns. So, oh, yummy. So good. So good. And last up, you get 4 items in this box. Last up is another candle, another 8-ounce candle, the Sugared Chestnut. Standard wax and wick. That is a very light but sweet scent. But you have a small sense of the chestnuts, of the nuttiness in there, but it is the sugar overpowers it, but it smells glorious. Okay, do a double check, make sure, yes. So we have the 8-ounce candle in the scent of apples and maple bourbon, notes of apple, cinnamon, orange with bourbon, butter, coconut, and hints of maple and vanilla. Then you have the 8-ounce candle in the scent Sugared Chestnut, notes of sugar, cardamom, cinnamon with chestnut, clove, amaretto, and hints of caramelized sugar, butter, and tonka. Then we have the wax melt in the scent Pumpkin Seeds and oud. Notes of pumpkin, cinnamon leaf, clove with buttercream, vanilla, sandalwood, and warm amber. Yeah, I love this one. And the car freshener, one of my favorite things to get, is in the scent Into the Woods. Notes of pine, citrus with spice, and hints of tonka, vanilla spun sugar, and musk. Yeah, this is going directly into my car. Next. Ooh, you got a sneak peek. Who likes this box? Who likes seeing me unbox this on my channel? I could care less if I unbox it on my channel or not. I like the box. I like the books, the book types that come in the box. This one has not been my favorite in the gifts so far compared to the others that I've received, but I didn't even tell you about it. Close that back up. This one does come in an outer mailer, so the box does come in a pretty decent shape and it does look pretty. But this is Down the Rabbit Hole. These guys are a dark read box. So if you like the dark reads, the thriller type reads, the psychoanalysis type of in the head of the criminal type of read, these will be for you. I'm not even caught up on my reading on this one, but Down the Rabbit Hole is $35 a month. It is a monthly book subscription, and they give you they give you book related items in the box, and they will put inside the book little post-it notes as to which one you should open. So like this one, gift 1. So somewhere in the book there will be a little post-it note saying open gift 1. September book box. Hell is empty and all the devils are here. And this is going to be a book by Donald Ray Pollock. I think the book is called The Devil All the Time. So here we go. This is their little pamphlet sheet. Gives you just a little bit about the author, a little bit of history, and a little bit about Down the Rabbit Hole. Put that down. We don't need that. Let's get to... Ooh, that's new. Let's get to the book. Get this out first. So, The Devil All the Time by Donald Ray Pollock. In the backwoods of Ohio, Willard Russell's wife is at death's door no matter how much he drinks, prays, or sacrifices animals at his prayer log. Meanwhile, his son Arvin is growing up from a kid bullied at school into a man who knows when to take action. Around them swirl a nefarious cast of characters, a demented team of serial killers, a spider-eating preacher, and a corrupt local sheriff, all braided into a riveting narrative of the grittiest American grain. Okay. And apparently this is also a Netflix film. So 55 chapters or so, 300 pages long. Not too bad. A good afternoon read, I think. So, yeah, so let's get into the books. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to start off with gift 1. Let's find gift 1 in the book. Gift 1 comes in at page 29. So let's see what it is, and then we'll see what. If I can figure, oh, that's a spider. It looks like it's a spider brooch or pin. I love this. It is a perfect Halloween box edition. That is awesome. That is so cool. And yeah, I'm a little bit weird for thinking that that is cool. I need a scarf. There, I've got my spider pen on me. Ah! I wonder if I could use this to, oh, that came apart. I wonder if I could use this to freak out my stepdaughter. She does not do spiders. It's kind of hilarious. So yeah, there is that. I like that with the little pearl. What are those called? Is that their abdomen? Then Roy dropped to his knees and gave the jar another jiggle before he twisted the lid off. Theodore slowed the music down until all that was left was a sad, ominous dirge that chilled the room, raised the short hairs on the backs of necks. Holding the jar above him, Roy looked out over the crowd and took a deep breath and turned it over. A variegated mass of spiders, brown ones and black ones, and orange and yellow striped ones, fell on top of his head and shoulders. Ooh. I would not voluntarily want to do that. I will say that. Okay. So we've got our little spider guy. Gift 2 is in this right here. Which page is gift 2 on? So we go from page 29 to page 65 for gift 2. Colt, what are you doing? Lay down, dude. Lay down. Just lay down. There's nothing back there you can get to anyways. So this is what is in gift 2. Blueberry pie. Is this a candle? Oh my gosh, it is. This is a candle that smells like blueberries. Oh, that smells good. This is a 4-ounce candle from DalesHandmadeSoaps.com in Hudsonville, Michigan. Oh, that smells so good. That's a kitchen candle. Kitchen or bathroom candle. So let's see. I'm not sure if it's the candle or the blueberry or both. Regarding this passage, I have another bird. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. Only it's birds, not squirrels. When they arrived home, they found a blueberry pie wrapped in newspaper on the porch by the door. A couple more sentences. Arvin ate half the pie and put the rest in the icebox. He went out on the porch and sat in his mother's rocking chair and watched the evening sun sink behind the row of evergreens west of the house. But, yeah, no, I love it's a cute little mason jar candle and it smells good. So, gift number 3. Gift number 3 is this here. I'm really not a fan of these bags that are so hard to open. Okay, so gift number 3 is an apron. Yes. All right, so we have an apron. All right, not bad. It's got 2 kind of shallow pockets in the front there. That's about how big the pockets are. Really lightweight, good heavy duty type of material. So this would be a good like grill apron. So what do we got for this? So on page 132 it says, Oh my, Emma said. She set the cake down on the table and grabbed up the hem of her checkered apron to wipe back a tear. Seeing the gun reminded her once again of her son and the promise she'd failed to keep all those years ago. Okay. Okay, useful item. Not necessarily something I'm excited for. I haven't read the book yet, and I have not seen the film, so I have no idea if how well that fits together or not. Obviously, if you do it properly, and you read the book and open your gifts as you get to the post-it, then it makes a whole lot more sense. So, yeah. All right, gift number 4 is on page 249, and it is in this box, which is a very lightweight box. So we have earrings. Okay, so we have some gold gold hoop earrings. Very large hoops. These aren't the best. These are not the best quality earrings at all. I can already tell that. Yeah. These are not the best quality earrings. Sorry, guys. So if that's how it's gonna, we'll see. We'll see what they look like. Hopefully without breaking the post in my ear. Okay, so there is the earrings. They have some weight to them. I'm not happy. I don't like this. Probably should have put them inside of a plastic bag first, or individually wrap them, because they are, I don't even think that they are good quality made. I really don't. I don't think these are, I feel like these are costume jewelry type of a thing. If they were made a little bit with better quality, if they were better quality, I'd be more excited about them. But just immediately seeing the post enclosure, I know that that is not going to be, and I know you can't really tell on here. Is that picking up anything? Probably not. But yeah. The posts are very flimsy. The clasp, I guess you would call it, this thing is very flimsy. It's not put on there very securely. It's, yeah. So I'm really disappointed in this. And this one, there is like chips of metal. I can catch my finger on that piece right there. So I'm not terribly excited. These I won't use these. I won't use these. I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed because I like the books that come from this box, but I'm just not as excited about the gifts that come with the books in the box. Okay, so for the earrings, page 249 again, or the beginning of the very first page of chapter 42. Let her think what she wanted. For the past 6 months, he'd been living with a family of transvestites in a run-down, cat-infested house in Philadelphia. He had finally split when 2 of the older sisters decided Jamie needed to share some more of the money he was making in the bus station restroom over on Clark Street. F these hags, Jamie figured, just a bunch of losers in bad makeup and cheap wigs. He'd go to Miami and find himself a rich old insert who would be thrilled just to play with his long, beautiful hair and show him off the beach. No, I'm not impressed with those. I loved the spider thing, which, I mean, the clasp itself is a little bit difficult, but the pin is really actually decent. So, okay. All right, enough of the rant. Gift number 5. All the way to the end? I'm going all the way to the end here. Almost on page 307. So let's see what is in here. Okay. Quote from William Shakespeare on this little makeup bag, travel bag. It does have about an inch, about an inch and a half foot on there. So, but it says, "Hell is empty and all the devils are here." William Shakespeare. So this is okay. Yeah, it's okay. Probably would have, if you're going to give me a bag, give me a book bag. I don't know. Last month we got a little coin purse. I've gotten 4 different, it's like I have a makeup subscription with this. So I'm going to make a suggestion to Down the Rabbit Hole if you guys watch these. Lay off of the bags and do a little bit better on your gifts. But, okay, so there's that. That one is gift 5, page 307. With dead leaves and a few branches, he covered all traces of the grave. He took down the picture of the Savior and wrapped it and put it in his gym bag. This is not a gym bag. Maybe someday he'd have a place to hang it. This is not a picture of the Savior. This is not a picture of, I don't know. He stuck a photograph of Sandy and 2 rolls of film in Bodecker's shirt pocket. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this one. So that was our 5 gifts that were related to the book, The Devil All the Time. And then this also was in here. I'm not sure if this is a luggage tag or a bookmark or a combination of both, because Down the Rabbit Hole does not give you any item descriptions. So it's all a guess. That is another suggestion I would do. I think that they should probably add. I mean, it can be used as a bookmark easily enough, both ways. Either really floppy like that, or all the way down more. But that's just a leather tag, bookmark, something of those sorts. Oh, I don't need to do that. So this is my Down the Rabbit Hole book box for the month of September. Again, not really a fan. I really hate to say that. Yeah, I'm not really a fan. I'm sorry. I liked the candle. You can always get me with a candle. So, but I like the candle and I like the spider pin. So literally probably the two cheapest things that you probably could have put in there are the two things that I think are the most appropriate for the, I don't know. They're a hit or miss. They are. I buy these guys in a 3-month block, so it is what it is. Okay, last up, last box. This is a newer addition to my channel. Also, this is the Adults and Crafts Crate. These guys are a monthly craft subscription, mainly for adults. Came in a box, well, big and very shallow this time. Now with all the busyness that's going on, I probably will not have a completed or a project video to add to this video. 2 reasons. This will be a really long video and I probably won't get it up in time or get this done in time to put it up with this. So if I get it done within a timely manner, I'll try at least get a picture put up in there for you guys so you can see what the finished product what my finished products looks like. So, but it looks like we are making a chevron wood tray kit. Now these guys send you pretty much everything you're going to need. Included in this is all the wood that you're going to need. You are even getting a box cutter or knife, which will get used in this house. I might have to keep this one and hide this one in my room so that my husband doesn't take it because he's always needing these. So, yes, we have our knife, we have our white and red paint, it looks like. No, white and oak. Okay, so we have white acrylic paint and an oak gel stain. Oh, so since we're staining, I may just use some of the stain that we already have, because I may not want to do oak. Came with your paintbrush and a stain brush, or a foam brush and a bristle brush. And that is a natural bristle. You get some Elmer's school glue. Well, add that to my stuff. And your knife. These are nice. These are nice ones. They are retractable. And you notice the little, right there. You notice right there, there's a little perforation. You can just break that off and then you have your next knife. And I do see that this one already had a little happy little accident right there. It's not squared off at the edge. But you can also bring them all the way down and then you're safe from danger. We have some pieces of wood here. I'm gonna assume pretty safely that this is going to be the inside pattern part of our chevron pattern. We have sandpaper, 150 grit, it looks like. More regular paper. And we have our wooden tray. So just a little, this would be useful to make, and so I'm kind of excited to try this one out. What else? Another paper, and then it looks like okay, so this is the chevron pattern layout for the tray. So that would be the pattern inside the tray. And this right here is your guide on how to cut out your pieces. And if you do a little bit of pattern research, I bet you could do your own, figure your own pattern out. They do have four other patterns right there that you could do along with the regular one. Okay. Alright, so yeah, and then their package, or their instruction paper does have, like I said, everything that they send, and then everything that you will need. Give you a little introduction, and then the how-to. Pretty easy. I enjoyed, last month's was just coloring. I don't need instructions on how to color. However, it was new coloring accessories, the blending pens, and I'd never used those before, so I did read the instructions on that to see what those were all about. And yeah, those are cool. I'm working on one right now. I'm taking it slow and taking my time because I don't want to mess it up. Because it's pretty. But yeah, I am working on one right now. All right. Well, not too bad. 45 minutes, and I had four boxes. Pretty good. Do I have them all now? I tell you what, you guys, I had a stack in here. I thought I had gotten through all of my stuff, and then I cleaned, and I found one that I didn't get, and I don't even remember which one it was. I think it was Scout Box, actually. And, yeah. So, oh no, it was down the rabbit hole. I don't know. I don't know. So that is my collection of subscription boxes to open up this time around. We had the HousePlantShop. We had Wicked Bayou Candle Company. We had Adults and Crafts Crate. Oh, and we had Down the Rabbit Hole book box. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of the different boxes. Did you have a favorite one? Out of those four, my favorite would be the Wicked Bayou Candle Company. I just love, candle, car freshener, and just different, like the wax melts or a room spray or something like that every month. Change up the scents. There's new scents every month. And they have always smelled really good. So yeah, that's going to be my favorite for this go round. But let me know what you thought. And I hope to catch you again next time, sometime soon. And in the meantime, head on over to my channel and check out my videos. And we'll see y'all again later. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.